Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Garima Soni. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Promising new strategy to slow cancer progression. The findings were published in Nature Chemistry reveals that protein targets of cancer protein, when disrupted with particular chemical compounds or small molecules, may help to stop cancer cell growth, potentially leading to creation of more effective and targeted cancer treatments. In this study, scientists outlined activity-based protein profiling, a technique that allows for the global capture of protein activity. The research team applied this technique alongside another approach to identify both the proteins and specific sites that interacted with a set of stereo probes, chemical compounds designed to selectively and permanently bind to proteins. These stereo probes help investigate protein functions and uncover potential drug targets. The research team's stereo probes were electrophilic, designed to permanently bind to proteins, specifically targeting the amino acid cysteine. Cysteine is commonly found in proteins, including those in cancer cells, and plays a key role in forming essential structural bonds. When chemicals interact with cysteine, they can disrupt these bonds and cause protein malfunction, which impedes cell growth. Many cancer drugs work by irreversibly binding to cysteines in proteins. To determine which specific protein interacted with the stereo probes, the team employed a technique called protein-directed activity-based protein profiling. This method revealed over 300 individual proteins that reacted with the stereo probe compounds. However, the researchers sought to go further by pinpointing the exact location of these interactions. Each stereo probe molecule has two main components, the binding part and the electrophilic part. The stereo probe molecule can enter and it blocks the protein from binding to other protein, ultimately preventing the cell division. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.